Since I transferred here, I'm being tortured. Um, there are new neighbors that move, and here's the proof of uh, directed energy weapon using radiation, like microwave radiation. Look at how my alley bags were. So here is this is Batangas, Balisong Batangas, and my purple is from this area. I'm going to put him to jail in this area also. So that is my plan. And I'm going to do that plan. Of course, it's just a matter of time. Because they are sending someone to gun down with directed energy weapon, and they thought that they are not responsible for what's happening. So they're making other people do it, right? Like these paid dogs upstairs. So now, I'm going to go to the court here because this is where my address is, and I'm going to sue that bastard. So before he dies, I want him to go to jail for a very, very long time. That's what I want to do to this animal, right? Look, is this normal? Look, that's not normal. That's a sign of microwave radiation from the freaks upstairs. Okay.